Now let's go into this small jewelry factory and discover the secret of jewelry manufacturing. Phase 1. Mold making. The first step in jewelry production begins with the creativity of the design team. They transfer unit design into CD digital files, which are then transferred to an ultra-high resolution 3D printer, where the digital designs are transformed into the fine wax models. Phase 2. Wax proofing. Wax proofing is a key step in mass production of complex designs. First, we proof molten special jewelry wax into ready-made rubbing mold, and then let the wax cool down quickly. This creates a wax mold that's perfectly matched to the final jewelry. These wax molds are then put together to build a wax tree, which is ready for the next step of wax casting. Phase 3. Wax casting. We put the wax tree into special casting mold and pour gemstone slurry until the wax mold is totally covered. Once the gemstone has cooled, the mold is put into a high-temperature oven to melt the wax, leaving a cavity in the shape of a piece of jewelry. Next, we proof melting 9 to 5 sterling silver into the cavities in the molds. Wash them out when they cool and cooled. The first shape of a jewel is born. Phase 4. Polishing and assembly. Polishing is a vital step in creating a smooth surface on jewelry. Craftsmen use a variety of tools to carefully remove excessive metal and imperfections from the surface of jewelry. Assembly is to combine all the parts into complete pieces of jewelry. With the soldering and laser technology, each piece is ensured to be structurally sound and perfectly designed. This is 4. Gemstone setting. Gemstone setting is the finished touch in jewelry making. With the help of a magnifier, our experienced sectors precisely embed the sparkling gems into the jewelry to ensure that each stone is solid and perfect. Phase 6. Buffing. Buffing brings out the dazzling luster of jewelry. Craftsmen use specialized equipment to delicately buff away tiny imperfections and oxidation layer, giving a mirror-like shines and silky textures to the jewelry. Phase 7. Electroprinting. Electroprinting endows jewelry with the finest colors and textures. Through an electrochemical process, the surface of jewelry is blended with a layer of 40-gauge gold, rose gold, rhodium, and other metals. Finally, a thin resin coating is coated to enhance its resistance to oxidations and maintaining long-lasting sparkle. Phase 8. Quality control. Quality is the lifeblood of jewelry. Our professional quality control team will strictly impact every finished product, whether it is the metal purity or gemstone furnace, or are meticulously examined to guarantee that the product delivered to the consumer is perfect. Phase 9. Packaging. Packaging from jewelry factory is often simple, as the final packaging is determined by the brand owners according to different customer groups. This also saves on international shipping costs.